Say hi.
Hi, look at you, big.
I am big. I'm standing up. Well, kind of being lazy. There we go. There's some action. Get those feet under you.
Jumpy jump. Jumpy jump. Jump.
She likes to use her toes.
Here, sweetie, let's get this arm up here. There we go.
Yesterday, she almost took a nap in this. She likes it. Yeah.
Ah. Here. Here, lazy bum. Get your feet up. Maybe it'll be easier if you can feel it.
Oh, get some traction. Yeah.
So soft.
There we go.
You can feel it.
Ah, that's better. Look at that. Yeah, not sliding around now. Yay. Sierra, over here. Say hi. Woo! Bouncing all over.
Yeah. Bouncy baby, bouncy baby.